We've always looked to the stars, asking where life might exist beyond Earth. But maybe we should start with a different question. Why does the life already here act like it doesn't belong? We cut down forests that clean our air, poison the waters that sustain us, and dig deep into the ground as if it were an enemy to be conquered. We build walls against each other and machines that threaten the very balance of the planet that feeds us. What kind of native species destroys its own home? Maybe the truth is uncomfortable. Maybe we're not natives at all. Every creature on Earth seems to belong. Birds migrate with magnetic precision. Whales sing in frequencies that cross oceans. Plants communicate through their roots. But humans, we struggle even to live with each other. Our skin burns under the same sun that every other species thrives beneath. We need clothes, shelter, technology just to survive. We're the only species that has to recreate nature to live within it. Building artificial light, air conditioning, processed food, artificial everything. We adapt against nature, not with it. It's as if we weren't designed for this planet, but for somewhere else. Some scientists have pointed out that human evolution is strangely accelerated. In a blink of geological time, we went from primitive tools to quantum computers. Our DNA contains unexplained jumps, sudden leaps of complexity that don't fit the slow rhythm of natural selection. Where did that spark come from? A mutation? A cosmic accident? Or a gift or experiment from somewhere beyond? If we arrived, or were guided here, maybe our struggle to belong is a sign of memory, a deep, unconscious homesickness for another sky. We claim to love our planet, yet behave like temporary tenants. We strip the soil of its nutrients, pollute the oceans, and fill the air with poison, all for comfort and profit. We call it progress, but progress for who? A true native species would protect its ecosystem instinctively because it would know that to harm it is to harm itself. We, instead, exploit. And when the Earth fights back, through storms, droughts, and climate shifts, we call it disaster, as though we weren't the ones who started the war. If we truly belonged here, would we treat our home like this? Maybe we once knew how to live in harmony. Maybe ancient civilizations had that balance, until knowledge turned to pride, and pride to destruction. And now, as our technology evolves faster than our wisdom, we're repeating the same pattern. But perhaps this is part of the awakening, to realize that the alien isn't a stranger from the stars. It's us drifting through our own world as if we just arrived, trying to understand the rules we've broken. If we are the aliens of Earth, then we are also its last hope, because every act of destruction can still become an act of redemption. We have the intelligence to repair, the empathy to restore, and the tools to begin again. Maybe that's why we're here, not to dominate, but to learn humility, to prove that even outsiders can become guardians. Because Earth doesn't need us to survive. We need her, and the question remains, will we finally learn to belong before our own planet decides it no longer needs us?